In this video, we will learn how to cancel your Pikzels subscription in 2026 without getting charged for another month and the important steps you should complete before your next billing date. Pikzels AI uses a subscription-based system, which means your plan can automatically renew unless you manually cancel it before the renewal period. So canceling your subscription properly is important if you no longer want to continue using the paid features. So before canceling, the first thing you should do is check your billing date. So to start the cancellation process, make sure you are on the billing section. You usually found it here at the top left corner. You'll just need to click this billing and it will redirect you to your subscription management account. From here, look for the options to manage your current plan. As you can see, I'm using the free plan. Click this Manage Plan and select the cancellation option. So follow the instructions carefully until the cancellation is fully confirmed. And one common mistake users make is leaving the process halfway through. Simply closing the page or ignoring the final confirmation step may leave the subscription active. After completing the cancellation, check your account status and look for a confirmation message or email. So this confirmation serves as the proof that your subscription renewal has been stopped. Another important thing to remember is that canceling does not always remove your access immediately. In many subscription services, including Pikzels, users can continue accessing paid features until the end of the current billing period they already paid for. So if you still have remaining credits, it is a good idea to use them before your subscription expires because unused credits may no longer be available after your paid access ends. If you subscribe through another payment services such as PayPal, check whether the recurring payment agreement also needs to be canceled separately. Some payment platforms manage recurring charges independently from the service account. So here are some tips to avoid being charged another month. First, do not wait until the last minute. Cancel several days before your renewal date to avoid possible delays. Second, save your cancellation confirmation. Third, double check that your subscription status shows that future renewals have been disabled. Finally, remember that deleting your Pikzels account is not always the same as canceling your subscription. You need to specifically cancel the active plan to stop future billing. So by following these steps, you can safely cancel your Pikzels subscriptions while keeping access to any remaining time you already paid for. And that's how you cancel Pikzels subscription without getting charged an extra month. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.